everybody and welcome to Vlogmas day 22. We are having a home-based Saturday today, Saturday before Christmas, because we got everything done nice and early in the season, which I like to do. So we haven't got any shopping or sorting or anything to do, which is great. Russell went for a walk this morning with some guys from church, and I did some sewing on a last minute dress that I had hoped wouldn't be this last minute, but I really wanted to make for the Christmas and then winter season. So I thought I'll just try and blast it out in the next couple of days so I can take it with me. All I've got left to do is the sleeves. I might go and show you guys the dress later on. It's a shirred tartan dress. So I basically spent the entire morning doing rows and rows and rows of shirring, which takes so long, but I've done them all now, so that's good. But yes, the plan today is, it's quite rainy and horrible and wet now. I need to make some little like pastry bits for Christmas treats to take with me to my family to have in the evening on Christmas. So I'm making some little butternut squash and goat's cheese tartlets and some brie and cranberry tartlets, and I'll probably make some sausage rolls, and I think we might make some sourdough discard crackers. We just had a really delicious homemade soup. I'm trying to eat up the fridge before we go, so we had a bunch of tomatoes, so I made a roasted tomato soup and did some cheese on sourdough with it, and then I also threw a load of stuff in the slow cooker as well. So I had some leeks that were getting really old and a load of carrots and a bit of stewing steak in the freezer and some wine. So I just sort of threw it all in the slow cooker, and I've no idea how that's going to turn out. But I might attempt to make some like herby dumplings to go with that later on. It's definitely feeling like that is necessary for a cozy day today. It is actually today, the 21st, as you guys know, I always film the day before. So it is actually the winter solstice today. And although it's wet and rainy and horrible, it is due to brighten up just before the sunset. So we might try and make it out to see in the shortest day of the year, the final sunset on the shortest day of the year. Might take Pearl for a little walk up the hill. It'll probably be very wet and muddy and horrible, but we might be able to see a nice sunset, which would be good. So yeah, I'll take you guys along with me today whilst I'm doing some baking. I might show you my dress a bit later on. I'm not sure what I'm going to be knitting on because as I told you guys last night, I put the beret away for a bit because it was sort of annoying me. But I'm tempted to come back to it and do a few more rows and see how it's starting to look, knowing that I can put it down again and keep working on my jumper sample. So yeah, that is the plan. Let's start doing some baking and stuff, I think. Okay, so this is the dress I've been working on. So, let me just get it out on the old ironing board. This is where we're up to. If you guys watched my what I am making for Christmas video, this fabric was in it. It is a lovely light brushed cotton tartan fabric, and I am following the tutorial on Janelle's channel, Rosary Apparel, for the I think it's called simple shirred dress, or maybe just shirred dress or something. And so I will be adding long sleeves to this. I think she had just short sleeves in hers. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm quite happy. I really don't enjoy shearing. I find it quite stressful getting like the tension right and getting all of the elastic thread to feed through evenly and stuff, but it's not come out too bad. There's one line here which isn't quite right, but the rest of it is all fine. So I think it's all right. But yeah, it's got some simple pockets in as well, and it is like very long midi length, so it's almost ankle grazing. The idea being that I'm going to wear it with like leggings underneath and like little ankle boots and knitted socks and stuff. So yeah, very cute, festive tartan. This is the third tartan dress that I've got to wear over the Christmas season, so yeah, I'm feeling the tartan. But I love tartan as well because I feel it's very wintry, so I wear it a lot in like December and January, so it'll get a lot of wear in the new year as well. So yeah, that is where we're up to. I'll probably do a bit of sewing on this tomorrow because I feel like I don't want to get too behind, and depending on how much time I've got depends on what I do with the sleeves. I'd really like to do shirred cuffs on the sleeves, but obviously that takes much more time than just sewing a channel for elastic. So we'll see how much time I end up with tomorrow, but that is where I'm at with that. And yeah, I'm gonna go and make some Christmas nibbles. Hi everybody, we are off on our solstice walk to watch the sunset. So we had to stop halfway through making sausage rolls. You can see the sky is starting to change. So we're making our way up to the hill. We've got Pearly. Just realised the whole family is matching in wax jackets. Not intentional. But yes, we're off to watch the sunset. I'm all wrapped up because it is rather chilly. It's like 3 degrees right now, but we're just on our way to church. It is our annual carol concert, which we have the weekend before Christmas. So that's the car. So yeah, we're just on our way to church. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. I'll show you my outfit as well. I'm wearing a Christmassy outfit. I wore it a few weeks ago, so you've already seen it, but I'm wearing a Christmassy outfit, so I'll show you later. Hi guys, we're back from church now, and I just thought I would show you. My hair's gone all crazy, I thought I would show you my outfit. You saw it a while ago. It's not a very good view. Hang on a minute. Let me just, if I just go like this, there we go. So I'm wearing my hand knit jumper. This is what I'm knitting a sample of in a completely different colour to show that it works out of the Christmas season, and I'll be releasing this pattern in January. And then I have got my black watch tartan cotton dress and my suede boots. I've had these for like 6 years. They always keep me nice and toasty in the winter time. And then cute little headband on, and I've got these super cute earrings actually, which I got from last year in Germany, from a little shop in Germany, little snowflakes. So yes, that is the outfit today. I am now gonna have some lunch. Me and Russell are gonna have a bit of lunch, and then I think we need to make some more little tartlet things which we're going to freeze for Christmas to take with us. I'm going to try and get a bit of sewing done today, I think, because I'm very close to finishing my dress, so I'd like to do a little bit more so that I'm not left with all of it at the end. And then, yeah, probably do some knitting and some crafting. And yeah, Russell's just come to tell me that the oven's beeping and the lunch is ready. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, we are in the sewing room now, and I am just going to do a bit of sewing. I've just got the sleeves left to do, so I might be able to get those done, but I do want to do shirring, which will take quite a while, so I'm just going to have a little bit of sewing this afternoon, which is nice relaxing hour of sewing on a Sunday afternoon, because it is absolutely fine. Like I said, it's like a big storm blowing and rain everywhere, and I've just noticed that my plant pots have blown all over the plastic ones. The seed trays have blown all over the lawn, so that's great. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill and do a bit of sewing on my sleeves. Hi guys, please excuse the state of my sewing room, but my dress is finished. I have to say I'm a little bit frustrated. You may be able to notice I was using Gutterman shearing thread on this sleeve and ran out, and then used some that I ordered off Amazon. And the stuff I ordered off Amazon is clearly much tighter, and it shrunk in lengthways and in widthways much more than this one has. I'm hoping if I keep steaming and steaming and steaming this, it might go in a bit more, but you can see like this one's going up higher, so I don't know whether to do a few rows of shearing on here. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm not sure I can be bothered, because I feel like once you poof it out like this, it's maybe not quite as obvious. I don't know. I'm sort of undecided. Just to let you guys know, I have been using a tutorial. I think I may have mentioned this in a previous video. I'm using a tutorial from Janelle's channel, from Rosary Apparel, for like a shirred, easy shirred dress, and then I've sort of like made up the sleeves myself into like, I mean, these are like so dramatic. This is like, I just wanted to show my husband, and we're just laughing because we're having New Year's in Scotland like we do every year, so we're having hogmanay, and I was like, this is like the most hogmanayest dress that you've ever seen in your life. But yes, I am a bit annoyed about my sleeves, but I don't know what the other option, actually, to be fair, would be I could just unpick a couple of rows of shearing on one sleeve. I might do that, you know, because actually you're less likely to notice, like, that's, I can just sit and do that rather than having, because I've sort of had enough of the shearing now. But yeah, I basically should have used the same elastic on both cuffs, shouldn't I? And I didn't. But anyway, whatever. I'll see if I can get a better, let me see if I can get a better angle. Okay, the lighting in our bedroom is really bad, because there's like, yeah, anyway, this is the finished dress, so you can see it a bit better. So it is, the thing with these dresses is it is difficult not to show your bra, and this one by Rosary Apparel, it comes in a bit more, so it's like the sleeves are supposed to come over more, but mine, I think I should have come like a bit further than this, to be honest. But you know, this fabric was really cheap. I bought it years ago. It's been sat on my shelf. I think it's been quite successful. I'm quite happy with the dress. I'm going to wear it loads over Christmas. It's a lovely Christmas and New Year's and winter dress. And then the next time I make the pattern, I'll probably just make some like adjustments. So, you know, that's what I have to tell myself, is I like to make wearable toiles. I don't want to make things that I can't, like test trials that I then can't wear. So this is very wearable. I'm really happy with it. It's very pretty. Just a few little teething problems that I can maybe fix next time I make something. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I just need to decide what I want to do with the sleeves. Because it would be quite an easy fix, just unpick a couple of rows. So I might sit and do that, to be honest, this evening. Just take a couple out, just so I feel like it matches a bit better. Because I feel like you can see one's going much... It's such a funny angle. One's going much lower than the other. But yes, I'm very happy with the dress. Hopefully I'll get some pictures and videos of it and stuff over Christmas in the daylight, and I can show you guys on Instagram and then on YouTube as well. When I'll do a roundup in 2025 of everything I made in 2024. That'll come out. That'll probably be my first video of 2025. So yeah, pretty happy with this. I think it looks cute. I'm gonna hang it up and then pack it for our lovely Christmas holiday. Hi everybody, I'm in my PJs now. I'm feeling pretty tired. So we're just making a nice roast beef for dinner with all the trimmings, Yorkshire puddings, cauliflower and broccoli cheese, roasted root vegetables. Trying to use up everything in the fridge before we go away on Tuesday, and then we'll have it again leftovers for Monday night's dinner. So I'm going to sign off the vlog here. I've put 2 days together, so I hope you enjoyed watching my weekend. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for the very last Vlogmas. It's a bit sad. But yeah, gonna sign off now, so see you later.